Hello, my name is Jan, and I will be walking you through the different ways to modify a Prezi presentation once you have created the main presentation space. These are the different ways to do it. First, you will learn how to insert a text and customize it. Then, you will learn how to insert a media, such as videos and images. I will also show you how to modify the topic type. And lastly, you will see how to change the path settings of your presentation. We will be going through all of them today. All the different insert options can be found at the top of the screen on Insert. The settings to a topic and the path are on the left side of the screen. Alright, let's get started. Once you have created the main presentation space, you want to insert a text. Click on Insert, then click on Text. You will see a text space appearing. Click in the rectangle and type in the text. Add as many text spaces as you want. To customize it, go on the top bar. Choose the style, font, font size, color, disposition, etc. After adding some text, you can now add some media. That means you can add videos, images, icons, etc. In this video, we will only show you how to insert images and videos. The process is always the same. To add a video, click on Insert, then on Video. You can either insert a video from your Prezi library or from YouTube. Copy the link of the YouTube video and paste it in the embed space. Click Insert. To add an image, this will be the same process. Click on Insert, then on Image. You can either add from your Prezi library, upload a file, or use the free images on Prezi. Click on the image of your choice. Adapt its size as you wish. If you want to create a new topic, go on the left side of your canvas. Click on the arrow next to Topic. To create a topic with subtopics, click on Planet. You will see a new topic on the left side screen. To create a topic that is a page, click on Stack. Modify these topics as you wish. Once you have created the topics, you will be able to change the path settings. To do so, you need to go to the bottom left of the page, click on Path Settings. You will see a window specifying the different paths for your presentation. Your paths can either zoom back to the other view or zoom directly to the next topic. You can even change the path between a topic and subtopic. Just like for the topics, you can zoom back to the main topic or zoom directly to the next subtopic. Once you have chosen your path, click on Save. And voila! Now you know how to modify your Prezi presentation. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this helped you to present a good work on Prezi.